Merry Christmas, everyone. It's Christmas Day, it's 25th of December, and I managed to go through this advent calendar. It wasn't easy, and only because of you and your support, I managed to do that. I think it was such a hard work and such a fantastic journey I had with all of you. Your support, your comments, your everything. You just made me go through it. Otherwise, I don't think I could manage it without you guys. So let's go into box number 25. So 25 is designed by Simply Made Crafts, and let's see what's inside. So inside this wallet we've got like a notebook or little journal. It's completely blank with blank pages. So, and we've got this nice cover as well, a thick one which I could decorate. I think that's what I'm going to do. I will decorate it as well. So let me show you previous wallets from Simply Made Crafts. So we had in day 4 we had this stencil. In day 12 we had stamps which you could coordinate with that stencil. So let me see if you can. I don't think I've done it, but yes, you can do those as well. So we've got and we've got another one from day number 15. We had those washi stickers. I will try to use them on this notebook. As always, I will think about it off camera and I will prepare some elements, and I will be back with the little tutorial for today. So as you can see, I've got some elements ready, and I decided to use the cardstock from day number 13 and this pattern paper from day number 18. They go together very well, and I had only those 2 pieces left, full pieces, so I could use it. And you can see that those flowers are matching that cardstock, so I thought it would be perfect to actually decorate this notebook. So I measured it, and that's the dimension. It's 5 inches and 5/8 by 4 and 3/8. So I already cut everything to size. So let me adhere it, and then I'm going to tell you how I'm going to use this notebook. So my friend, another YouTuber, Monica, Crafting with Quilling Lady, she always tells me to keep a notebook in my bag, just to write my ideas, because I keep saying that I've got so many ideas, full head of things I want to do. So she said just write it down. I never had to, because I always know what I want to do. It's just not enough time to do it, and sometimes it's just the motivation. So when I saw this little notebook, I thought, yes, this is the right thing to do. And because I didn't have any other idea for this notebook, you see my glue is not cooperating today. So I decided to use this one for that purpose. So I just need to push it. I think I left it open and just dried a little bit. I do this quite often. I leave my glue on my desk and just walk away. So I hope you've got a nice plans to spend this special day with your family, with your loved ones, with whoever you want to spend that time with. Yes, we had fantastic Christmas Eve with my husband and daughters, and we had so much that I don't know if I will be able to eat at Christmas lunch. I think today is going to be my husband who's going to cook. We love roast chicken, roast vegetables, and all those things. We don't do turkey, so I would love to know what do you do? Do you do full roast, or yes, your tradition for Christmas? So as you can see, I actually thought I want to put some writing on this notebook, and I thought it would be nice to name it, and I wrote small book full of big ideas. Maybe You would think, oh, that's a bit cheesy, but I wanted to do it. And I think, yes, I really wanted to put that on the front cover. As you can see, I printed in a smaller print, but I thought no, it has to be slightly bigger. And of course I'm going to mat it on that the same color cardstock. I still had a little bit left, so I thought yes, let's do that. And I'm going to cut that bit off. So let me know about your Christmas traditions. We actually open our Christmas gifts on Christmas Eve. That's the tradition back home. And I know sometimes my husband is saying, no, this year, girls, you have to wait for Christmas morning. And they're like, no, but this is not a Polish tradition. So yes, he's always, although this year he didn't say anything. He was just, because we usually count how many gifts we get. And how many gifts there are under the Christmas tree, and he had quite a big amount of gifts. We went overboard with girls. We were just shopping, and not expensive things, but things like to make him laugh or something. We don't do big gifts sometimes, but yeah, sometimes we do. Anyway, so this is my small book full of big ideas, and I hope you like this inspiration. And this is what I'm going to keep in my bag. And from time to time I'm going to use those stamps and stencils and maybe those stickers as well. I think they are very handy, but I was thinking it will be really hard to use them straight away because I still haven't got the idea what I want to put on each page, how to design, maybe do it in a week order, or maybe, for example, just keep it plain for me to write down, to do some sketches of ideas I have, because plenty times I actually even at work, when I'm like, okay, I want to do something, and I just take a piece of paper and then draw a sketch of a card or fancy fold or something, and I think it would be nice to have that one even at work on my desk. So this is my inspiration for day 25, Christmas Day, and I wanted to say big thank you to Katarina and Mel, and for them to agreeing to join me on this collaboration, because without them I don't know if I would carry on. And it's the same with you guys. Thank you so much for all your comments, likes and subscriptions. I'm overwhelmed by your love, support, and you have given me in the past few weeks. I hope we can continue this fantastic relationship and interaction. I will link my last video I did for hashtag FFC Challenge 2023. It's the Fancy Fold Craft Challenge, which I host as well. We are having a January break, so we will be back on the 5th of February, but I'm going to link that last video I did on the 5th of December, so you can check all the information which are below that video. So we've got a link to Fancy Fold Craft Challenge Facebook group where we share inspirations. Anyone can share. You can share videos, you can share photos, you can chat. We will go. I think I've got few ideas which I'm going to probably write them down for that challenge. And we did last year summertime one live on that Facebook group, but I think this year we'll do much more because the community on that group is growing. So I want us to interact even more. We've got Monica the Quilling Lady, Christine from Christine Cards and Things YouTube channel, and we're going to have Katarina joining us as well. So it's going to be 4 of us, so we can share the workload as well. So I invite you to that challenge as well. Of course, tomorrow I'm going to have another video in which I'm going to talk about my giveaway, which is for all of you who were with me in the past few weeks supporting me. I said few things already about this giveaway. That's going to be a cash giveaway, so anyone around the world can join in, but to hear more about that giveaway you need to wait until tomorrow. I will record it later and I will give you all the information you will need. So once again, thank you so much cannot even express how grateful I am for every single one of you. And I didn't know that it will go so well. The inspirations on the Facebook groups were amazing, and I'm so happy that we didn't have many people complaining about certain things, and staying positive and motivated, and sharing the inspirations and inspiring others. I hope I did inspire a few people with my videos, and I am sure Katarina and Mel did as well. So thank you everyone for that. I hope this video is not going to be too long, because it's a Christmas day and then I want you to celebrate. But yes, if I could, I would celebrate with all of you, because I think craft community is such a fantastic way to I don't know, sometimes I do have low days, and I think craft community kind of pick me up big time. So thank you for that. So thank you. I'm not going to carry on talking about this, but thank you so much to every single one of you, and I hope I will see you tomorrow with on that giveaway video I'm going to upload. I think, I don't know, is it going to be morning or afternoon, but if you press that notification bell, you will know definitely when it's going to be up. So have a wonderful Christmas day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.